access modifiers decide from where you can access class members. Class members can be fields, methods, constructors, and other classes. So, in Java, access modifiers are keywords that you can use to control the visibility and accessibility of these class members. There are 4 access modifiers in Java. Public, which means that they can be accessed from anywhere within the program. Private, this is the most restricted one, and it means you can only access this member from within that very same class. Then we have protected, and that means it's accessible from anywhere in the same package and its subclasses outside the package. And then we also have default. This is when there's no modifier, and this means that it can be accessed from anywhere within the same package. Here are some examples of how to use access modifiers in Java. We have 4 fields here, an int x, int y, int z, and int w. X is public, y is private, z is protected, and w is default. In general, it's a good practice to use the most restrictive access modifier that's appropriate for a member. This helps to encapsulate and hide the implementation details of your class and prevent any unintended modifications from outside. The access modifiers can actually also be applied to inner classes and interfaces, but we won't see that for now. The rules for visibility and accessibility are similar to what I'm going to explain in the next few videos, but there are a few differences in how they're being applied. These nuances will be skipped here, but it's definitely something you can find out when you play around with them yourself. We're going to play around with each of the 4 modifiers in the next few videos. Let's start with public.